Hi students, welcome to my class. In my previous class, you have already learned what is modal verb and which verbs are called modal verbs, right? You know there are so many modal verbs and among them will is an important modal verb, right? As a modal auxiliary verb, will is particularly versatile and it has several different functions and meanings. Okay, so today in this class I am going to teach the different uses of the modal verb will. Okay, so let's start. You know that generally will is used to make future tenses, right? In my previous video of simple future tense, you have learned that for certain events or actions in future will is used, right? Now see as a modal auxiliary verb on which condition will can be used. See the first usage, assumption or probability. Okay. For example, I will probably come back later. See, a probability is here, right? I will probably come back later. Okay, it's not sure of my coming back later, right? It's unsure. Okay, it's not certain. Okay, so to show less certain event, will can be used. Okay, or along with these words, probably, possibility. Okay, probability, maybe, perhaps will can be used. Okay. To show assumption or probability will is used, right? Now see the next one. This will be the book, I suppose. See here the word suppose refers that it's an unsure state, right? This will be the book, I suppose. Okay, it's not sure. Okay, it is also a less certain. Okay, so to show such assumption or probability will is used. Clear? Now see the next usage of will. With think and hope. With the word think and hope as a modal auxiliary verb, will can be used. How? See the first example. I think I will go to bed now. Okay. See here the action is not talking about future time, right? But it's talking about present time. Now refers present time, right? And you know that generally will is used to make future tenses or to refer future time. Then how here will is used to refer present time? Because here I use the word think and so this sentence means I think I will go to bed now. So now it means a thinking or opinion right now. Okay. So to express a thinking or opinion right now, will can be used to express present time. Okay, as a modal auxiliary verb. Clear? Now see the next example. I hope you won't make too much noise. See. First, know that won't is the contraction of will not. Will not is the negative form. Okay, so this is a negative sentence. I hope you won't make too much noise. Won't is the contraction of will not. Okay, and here I use the word hope, which expresses a desire. Okay, so to express a desire at present time, will can be used. Okay. The next usage is requests and offers. As a modal auxiliary verb, will is also used to make request or offer. Okay, such as see the first example. Will you have a cup of tea, Jam? Okay, the formation of this sentence is interrogative. A question mark is here and see the formation of this sentence is interrogative. So this is an interrogative sentence. But here as a modal auxiliary verb I use will. Okay, so now this sentence means will you have a cup of tea, Jam? This sentence means as I use will as a modal auxiliary verb, so it means a request. Okay, it means that Jam is requested to take a cup of tea. Okay, so such will is used to make request or offer. Now see the next example. Will Shambi join us for some lunch? Okay, this sentence is also interrogative. Okay, the formation is interrogative. But here also I use will as a modal auxiliary verb. Okay, so will Shambi join us for some lunch? Okay, here this sentence means that Shambi is invited or Shambi is offered to for some lunch. Okay, so as a modal auxiliary verb, will is used to make request or offer or invitation. Clear? The another usage is commands. To make command, will is used. For example, you will not go to party. Okay, it is said forcefully. It's a order. You will not go to party. Okay, suppose you want to go to your friend's party. Okay, but your mother is not permitting you. Okay, so then she says that you will not go to party. Okay, she says it forcefully. Okay, it's a order. You will not go to party. Clear? Now see the next example. You will finish your homework this instant. Okay, it is also a order or command. You will finish your homework this instant, right now. Okay, though here I use will, but it means a present time, this instant. Right now you will finish your homework. It's a order or command. Okay, suppose your teacher gives you homework and she says that you will finish your homework this instant. Right now you will finish your homework. Okay, so it's a order. It is said with forcefully. Clear? So to make such commands, will is used as a modal auxiliary verb. Clear? Will is also used for conditional sentences. Okay, for example, if it rains tomorrow, I will stay at home. See, this is a conditional sentence. Okay, and this is called the first conditional sentence. There are 4 types of conditional sentences. Okay, and will is used for first conditional sentence. Okay, and which sentences are called first conditional sentence? Remember, there will be four types of conditional sentence, and will is used for first conditional sentence. Okay, and the sentences where there will be a condition, such as here is a condition if, and there will be a real possibility. Okay, the action did not happen, but there will be a real possibility to happen. Okay, such as if it rains tomorrow, here is a real possibility of raining tomorrow. Okay, then I will stay at home. So this is called the first conditional sentence, and so here will is used. And for the first conditional sentence, after if, the tense will be in simple present tense. Okay, and the another clause, in the another clause use will. Okay, and then the infinitive. Clear? Now see the last example. If I study today, I will do better in my exam. See, here also I use will. Okay, this is the contraction of will, I''ll. Okay, so here also I use will, because this is the another example of first conditional sentence. Here is a condition if, and then the tense is in simple present tense. Study, I study today. If I study today, so it's not impossible, it's possible. Okay, so then I will if I study today, then I will do better in my exam. So for this first conditional sentence, here I use will. Clear? Will is also used to express willingness. For example, I will carry your books. Okay, see, here will means that I am willing to carry your books. Generally we know, will is used to express future time, right? But here will is used to express a willingness in present time. I will carry your books. Okay, it means I am willing to carry your books. Okay, so such a way will is used to express a will can be used to express a willingness in present time. Clear? Now see the last usage, make a promise. Will is also used to make a promise, such as I will try to do better next time. Okay, it means here will means I promise to do better next time. Okay, now see the last one, I will work hard on this project. So here will means I promise to work hard on this project. Okay, so will is also used to make a promise. Clear? So we have learned today we have learned the using of will. I will be back with my next video of using would. Students, till then keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.